to make a ruffle. Like this, or this, or this. Come on. For this tutorial, I'll just be using a soft piece of cloth just to show you guys how I make my ruffle pieces. This is cotton fabric. So the first thing you're going to do is change the tension to 9 on your sewing machine. And then you're going to change the length to the longest length that you have on your sewing machine. You can leave the width at 4, which is my default setting, but whichever you choose is fine. Now I'm going to pull as far as I can the 2 pieces of string, the bobbing and the top stitch, and then I'm going to sew the entire piece all the way down, but I'm also going to leave my thread, a little bit of thread out at the end as well. And I'm going to show you guys why it's important to leave a bit of thread at the end. And as you are sewing your garment, it should automatically start to ruffle. This is the easy method. There are multiple methods, but this is just the easy way that I do it. Very quick and easy, but also it can be challenging, and I am about to show you guys exactly why you have to be very careful when you're doing this. I did leave thread at the end as well, and I'm just going to cut those pieces off, but I'm going to leave them attached to my piece. And now that I'm finished, it should come out something like this, and you'll have your 2 pieces where you can adjust if you like. But if it unravels, that's it. You have to start all over, and that is the most trickiest part. So do be careful when you're adjusting, because you can make it smaller or bigger if you like to, but I honestly like to keep it to be on the safe side because it always looks really nice. Now let me show you guys what happens if you unravel it by pulling it too hard or too tight. It's actually very delicate, and it'll just turn out like that. It'll go right back to normal, no ruffle. So just be careful, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please come back, leave comments, and let me know what else you'd like to see. Bye, friends.